Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're highlighting more vintage motorcycle history by diving into the golden era of British motorcycles. Machines that not only defined an age but also carved unforgettable memories for riders across the globe. Perhaps these are bikes you yourself rode or dreamed of owning. Let's kick things off with a true classic, the Norton Commando. Founded in 1898, Norton became known for its innovation and performance. The brand gained fame in the racing world, especially during the early 20th century. Introduced in 1967, the Norton Commando quickly became a symbol of British engineering excellence. With its iconic styling and innovative design, it featured the famous isoelastic frame, which helped reduce vibration, a game-changer for comfort on long rides. The original 750 cubic centimeters engine produced around 60 horsepower. Later models, like the Commando 850, offered even more power. What's really special? The Commando was known for its impressive power-to-weight ratio, thanks to that 750 engine. This made it a hit not just on the road but also on the racetrack. For many, the deep, throaty roar of its exhaust was music to the ears, a sound that still resonates with enthusiasts today. The Norton Commando was named Motorcycle of the Year in 1971 by Motorcycle News. It has a cult following, and many riders appreciate its vintage appeal and performance. Have you owned or even ridden this award-winning bike? Let me know in the comments below. Next up is the Royal Enfield Bullet, a bike that has stood the test of time since 1948. Known for its rugged simplicity and classic design, the Bullet embodies the spirit of adventure. One of its key features is the 500 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, renowned for its reliability and ease of maintenance. Perfect for those who appreciate a hands-on approach to their machines. Plus, with its charming retro styling, riding a Bullet feels like stepping back in time. Earlier versions were smaller, with some even being as low as 350 cubic centimeters. Originally established in 1901 in England, Royal Enfield is now based in India. The brand became famous for producing bikes that are rugged and built for adventure. They're known for their ability to handle long distances with ease. Now let's talk about the Velocette Viper, a bike beloved by purists. Launched in 1955, it was famous for its lightweight design and advanced engineering. The Viper was equipped with a 350 cubic centimeters engine that delivered a thrilling ride with remarkable agility. What sets it apart? The Viper was a favorite among racing enthusiasts and took home numerous awards on the track. Its reputation for excellent handling and smooth performance made it a sought-after choice for those who craved both speed and sophistication. Riders often recall the joy of mastering the Viper's unique characteristics, making every ride a memorable experience. Velocette was known for its racing pedigree. The Viper was particularly successful in the Isle of Man, which solidified its reputation as a serious contender. Velocette introduced various innovations, including a unique gear change mechanism and a sophisticated valve system, which set it apart from competitors. Moving on, we have the Trident, launched in 1968. This beauty introduced the world to the joys of three-cylinder performance. Its 750 cubic centimeters engine was a powerhouse, offering a thrilling combination of torque and smooth acceleration. The Trident produced around 65 horsepower. Its unique engine layout provided a distinctive sound and smooth power delivery. The Trident's unique design and advanced engineering made it a standout in a crowded market. Many riders remember the excitement of its nimble handling, making it perfect for both spirited rides and casual cruising. And let's not forget the stunning lines, an aesthetic that still turns heads today. It also emphasized both performance and comfort, featuring a comfortable seating position and excellent ergonomics. The Trident was seen as a symbol of the British motorcycle revival of the late 1960s and early 70s, appealing to a new generation of riders looking for performance and style. Last but certainly not least, the Norton Manx. If you've ever dreamed of racing on the Isle of Man, this is the bike that would make that dream a reality. Launched in the 1930s and perfected over the decades, the Manx was designed specifically for racing. The Manx featured a 500 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that was highly tuned for racing, with some models producing over 50 horsepower. Its lightweight design contributed to its impressive speed. Today, the Manx is highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts, representing the pinnacle of British racing motorcycle design and engineering. Riders often reminisce about the adrenaline rush of taking the Manx around a track or on the open road. Its handling and speed was simply unmatched. The Manx isn't just a bike, it's a piece of history that every motorcycle enthusiast should appreciate. So there you have it, a nostalgic journey through some of the most beloved British motorcycles. Whether you rode them in your youth or dreamt of them from afar, these bikes have left an indelible mark on the world of motorcycling. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own stories about these iconic machines in the comments below. Until next time, keep on riding.